Yes, 100% we are in Heathrow. Heathrow is another township. In fact, I saw that bag was lying. But how can I touch? No, already bus was about to start. It could have happened with the other earlier bus.
Whenever you see a police, okay, near to our coach, especially I will inform you at that time, in London or in Europe, make sure that you get your seat belt. Okay, why? Because there is £300 fine. Okay, so the first thing when you come into the coach, you do it, especially when you on the highway. Okay, you will see a lot of people from the police department coming to our coaches. Second thing is another very important, do not dirty the coach. Please do not throw anything in the coach. There's €900 fine which we have paid last week with the European. And all the people literally have to contribute to that payment, because what they normally do is they claim the coach. They claim the coach. They claim the coach, okay? Literally they have claimed the coach, not allowing them to move the coach until they pay €900. So do not eat, drink, take ice cream, nothing in the coach. Okay? Now let me tell you about the hotels which we are staying. All the hotels which we are staying is out of the city, most of them. But what happens in the hotels, once you check in, you may find a mini bar there. Okay? Maybe a bottle of water, there may be a chocolate, or maybe something or other thing, or may not be. Okay? But if you find that, please check with the reception if it is free or no, or is it complimentary or no, because normally it doesn't happen here. In Europe, nothing is free. Even if you go for a toilet, you have to pay. Okay, everywhere you go for a pee, you have to pay 50 cents for that. And in London, you have to pay £1. Okay, so make sure that you have the change with you if you want to go for toilets. Even you cannot enter a restaurant just to do the toilets. Yeah, you have to buy something, maybe a coffee or something like that, to go for a toilet. So make sure that whenever you enter some places, because this tour doesn't have any lunches. All your lunches is up to you. Okay, I will give you some time where you can get down, eat something. Okay, have a coffee, whatever you would like to take. But I will give you a specific time for the lunch, and that comes from the driver especially. Drivers tell me that okay, this is the time we are going to give for the lunch or for the coffee break or another break, because we will be driving long hours. Okay, one more thing, this coach is temporary. This coach is not going to be with us tomorrow. Okay, so when you get down at the hotel, make sure that you take all your belongings. Do not leave anything. And I must tell you that if you leave anything, it will be difficult for you to get that, because this coach goes for another tour right now 2:30, and they will go to Europe from here directly. They are not seeing the London. So if something you miss in the coach, that it will be difficult for you to recover it. So whenever you come out of the coach, please ask me whether this coach will be there for us for a second day or third day or fourth day. Okay, but before we are starting the tour, make sure that everyone, I have a pouch, okay, inside my bag here, where I keep my passport and my money, because everything I can lose on my tour. But if I lose my money and the passport, my medicine, then it will be a big problem. So do not keep your passports away from you.
হ্যাঁ
হোটেলগুলো তো ফ্রি ওয়াইফাই থাকে,
আচ্ছা
ওই ফ্রি ওয়াইফাইতে আপনি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ কল করেছেন।
ওদের থেকে এটা নিতে হবে, পাসওয়ার্ড নিতে হবে।
হ্যাঁ সেটা দিয়ে দেবো, যেমন নিশ্চয় তো দরকার ছিল না,
আচ্ছা
ওখানে আপনার নাম ফোন নাম্বার এগুলো মেল আইডি দিলেই অটোমেটিক্যালি ওরা কানেক্ট করে।
আচ্ছা
যেমন আমি ওখানে সব ফোনগুলো করে নিলাম আর
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
সেরকম এয়ারপোর্ট হোটেলগুলোতে গিয়ে ওদের ওয়াইফাই নাম্বার চেয়ে দিয়ে তো ওর নাম্বারটা দিল না তো তাহলে
তাহলে আমরা আমাদের দিতে হবে। তাহলে আমার ফোন নম্বরটা Eight six 555 888
দিয়েছেন
double 2 6